All right, I'm gonna try to make this a very simple video. And again, this is how you take it off. Now, you probably wanna start just unscrewing stuff. Oh, okay, there's 3 screws, let's just do that. No, leave those alone. You see these little notches right there? That's what you need to work with. So it's very simple. Now, there is a tool that you can probably get from Home Depot or something, but I just have a standard Allen wrench. You can see this is very long. Now, if you don't have the tool that they give you, and it's kind of like an Allen wrench, but it's shaped like this, and then it goes outwards. What I'm gonna do is just hook the Allen wrench right in there, and then find something, you could use a hammer to back it, or I found this that has a little hole in it, so that's gonna work perfect. Kind of like you do with like a tire iron or something. So now I can use force and pull this to the side, and you see it just dropped down, and it doesn't really take any more explanation than that. Again, these are just 2 screws here, and then this is a tension piece. So I'm gonna need some pliers. You just pull those together, and then you can take the tube off. And you definitely want to support the bottom, especially as I do this. Whoa, or that happened. As you can see, I told you to hold it, I was holding it, and still, it still fell down a little bit. And it's a strong piece, but just beware. Use my do as I say, not as I do kind of speech there. Now these can be difficult, it's because it's shaped kind of funny. But once you get a grip, just hold on to it and just wiggle it back. You see, I'm almost there. Just keep wiggling it back, and there we go. Honey Badger 900. Off and ready to get worked on, so I can get the pebbles from the aquarium out of it and actually get a garbage disposal again. SK Lifestyle. All right, so this little bad boy here, that little pebble is, I think, the issue. Plug her in. Hopefully it doesn't sound so nasty. Just need a half a second. You'll be able to tell, just like before, if it's good or not. There we go. There's your SK Pro tip. Now I can install her, and I know I'm not wasting my time. Hit that subscribe button, SK Lifestyle. One other SK Pro tip, plug up any holes down there, especially because you got the screws and stuff. Just a quick paper towel, save you a lot of trouble. And then last pro tip, be sure to unplug the disposal after testing it before trying to install it back in. Yeah. But hopefully that helps you out. If you were wondering how to take it apart, that's it. Very simple, 2 minutes. If you appreciate it, hit that like button, share it with everybody, and subscribe to SK Lifestyle. I appreciate it. See you on the next video.